Today, I'll tell you how to make the perfect detox Amla Pomegranate Apple Smoothie. This is a perfect detox drink for the morning, which is low on sugar and high on the fiber content. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of apples, which are nicely chopped. To this, I add some pomegranates, which have been peeled completely. Then we add some amla, which is chopped again. Ensure that the amla is light green so that it is not very bitter. Now nicely toss the fruits so that they mix thoroughly. We then add this to the mixer grinder. Ensure that you use the larger juicer jar for preparing this smoothie. We then top the fruits with some water and ensure that they are completely submerged. This could be 1 glass of water. And then we nicely grind this in the mixer grinder. We then run the juice in a sieve. Particles like seeds then get taken away. We then top this up with some salt. We then add some chaat masala on top of this. We then top it up with some pepper powder as well for taste. We add some honey, which is completely optional. We then top this up with some lemon juice. Our apple pomegranate smoothie is ready to be had.